Did you know that you can receive text messages through your Sync 3 system and respond with simple reply prompts? Let me tell you about it. First, you'll need to make sure your phone is paired and text notification is turned on. Now, anytime a new text message is received, you'll get an incoming message and an options menu on your touchscreen. From there, you can choose which option you would like to do, such as have Sync 3 read it to you, view it on your touchscreen, call the contact, or reply. Keep in mind, iPhone does not allow in-vehicle callback or text reply capability. To hear the message, touch the Hear It tile and Sync will read it to you. You can also use the voice button and simply say, Read Message. To view it, touch the View tile and a screen will appear with the message typed in it. Press the Return button in the upper left corner to close it. It's the one that looks like a curved arrow. To call the contact back, just touch the Call tile. To send an instant reply text message, press the Reply tile, and a list of available preset reply shortcuts will appear. Now, just touch the response you want, send, and you'll get a Message Sent Successfully pop-up. In addition to being able to review newer text, you can also review up to 50 archived messages. To access messages, touch the phone icon on the bottom. Here, the Text Messages tile, and a text history list will appear. To view messages, just drag the scroll bar up or down. Use the arrows or swipe the screen up or down. If you want to hear the message read aloud, you can press the speaker button next to the appropriate line. At any time while on the text messages screen, you can touch the refresh button to update the most recently received messages. To exit, press the return button again. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit owner.lincoln.com.